Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth on your Ford F150. It's a straightforward process that allows you to enjoy hands-free calling and wireless audio streaming, making your drives safer and more enjoyable. We'll go over each step, from activating the system in your truck to pairing your mobile device, ensuring you can easily connect and use this convenient feature in just a few minutes. First, ensure your F150 is on and in park for safety. Navigate to the sync system on your vehicle's display. From the main menu, select the phone option, then choose Add a Device. Your truck will then prompt you to begin the pairing process, often displaying a unique 6-digit PIN. Keep an eye on the screen for these instructions, as they are crucial for the next step in connecting your phone. Now, grab your mobile device and enable its Bluetooth function through your phone settings. Your phone will begin searching for nearby devices. Look for Sync in the list of available devices and select it. You'll then be prompted to enter the 6-digit PIN that was displayed on your F150's screen. Confirm the connection on both your phone and the vehicle's display to complete the pairing process successfully. You're almost there. Once connected, you can make hands-free calls using voice commands or stream your favorite music directly through your F150 speakers. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the vehicle's sync system often resolves minor glitches. For more detailed troubleshooting or specific features, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual. Enjoy the convenience of a connected drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.